Dark Match Steve here. What do I got for you today? What do I got? A little secret. A few little secrets to show you. Here's one of my little secrets. It's an organic grape. Ignore that's like resin under my fingernail. It's not dirt. I was cleaning out my pipe. It's weed resin. So y'all know, a lot of you know I've been eating mostly organic stuff. I'll do some video breaking down the changes and stuff because of that. But this is a secret little snack. It's an organic grape, but it's frozen, okay? This is frozen solid. Any other fruit you take out of the freezer would probably break your teeth if you ate it, but... the consistency in there is like a slushy. This is nature's slushy right here. It's so good. I know it seems redundant, but you've never had this. Don't go in my comments and tell me you've had this because you haven't. It's really good. All you have to say is, thank you, Steve, for the idea. I tried it, and it's fucking amazing. It's like a tiny little slushy. It's so good. The problem is I care too much, clearly. You're welcome. Go try it.